Our question is 7 divided by 1 by 7 into 7. So first we'll solve the division, then the multiplication. We'll follow the BODMAS rule. BODMS. Brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. If division and multiplication come together, they have the same priority, and we solve them from left to right. So looking left to right, whichever comes first, we solve that. Here, it's 7 divided by 1 by 7, then multiplication into 7. So first we'll solve this. When it's written as 7 divided by 1 by 7, we change the division to multiplication and take the inverse of 1 by 7. So it becomes 7 times 7 over 1, and then outside we still have times 7. So now it's 7 times 7 times 7. 7 into 7 into 7 is 343. This is the right answer.